Welcome back. So in this video, what we're going to do is that we are simply going to write a function which is going to check if the input number that we have provided is a prime number or not. So let's get started. Over here, we have a terminal with two tabs. I'll show you why we have two tabs, but before that, let's just get started with our project. Since this is a quick demo video, I'm going to be using CommonJS over here. So this is the way we import our methods in JavaScript. Over here, I'm simply importing that method is prime number and out of that file and then calling it. But since it does not exist right now, let me just create that. So inside of those folder, what we're going to do is add our file and call it is prime number.js, and we're going to call it function is prime number, and we are going to get our number as the first argument. So what we are going to do is add a flag over here called is prime and set it to true. First thing we're going to check if the number supplied is 1. So simply we can add that logic here. Number is equal to 1. Then what we're going to do is simply console log. Whenever I'm able to type console log, 1 is neither prime nor composite number. That should do it. Else if number is greater than 2, then what we're going to do is loop through it. Is equal to 2. I is less than number minus 1. So over here, we are going to enumerate our number till the end, the number minus 1 at position. And in the end, we are going to increment it. Over here, we're going to simply check that number modulo is equal to 0 if it is divisible. So this is a modulo sign. What we are doing over here is checking if the number is completely divisible by our index number that we are incrementing. If that is true, then what we're going to do is simply just set our is prime flag to false and simply break out of this for loop. However, if it is in fact a prime number, then we are going to console log. Then this is this is another way to concatenate a string in JavaScript, which is pretty common. Number is not a prime number. What we are left to check now is this if statement. What happens if the number that we have passed is less than 1? Possibilities are endless, but let's just cover the known scenarios. Then in the else statement, what we're going to do is just simply call the number is not a prime number. Let's just format this. Then in the end, we are going to export this method and let's try to run it. Let's add the watch parameter in the middle. In this latest version of Node, let me just show you real quick which version we are using. It's 18, although 19 is bleeding edge. As you can see in this version, we are able to get this watch feature where we are not required to add any other package like NodeMon and stuff. So prime is not a number. I guess it works. Let's check this out with other examples. Let's test out 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Let's check 10 is not a prime number. I know that. How about 11? Is a prime number. I hope you learned something in this video. See you in the next one.